Such an easy stir fry. Fitness, foodies, and the fabulous absurd. From burpees to Camus, you're never gonna know what you're gonna get from your burpee yoga uncle. It's your what's up? Aloha. We're making 豉油王炒面, which is a total vegan dish. We're just gonna use noodles and these two ingredients, bean sprouts and chives. And did I forget to tell you how good my honey's bread is? Anyway, I digress. Super easy recipe. You can add meat if you want, but we'll make it vegan style. Let's get to it. Please like and subscribe. Your Uncle Burry Yoga, fit over 50. I need fuel to do all my workout. I need my workout to eat all the food I make. Yeah, the circle of life. First thing I'm gonna do is just blanch the noodles. These are egg noodles, or in Cantonese, 豉油王炒面. I'm not making a lot, so it takes like very short time to make them. Like super short. Like unbelievably short time. You must be asking yourself, how short? Well, you shall soon find out. Just water. It's done. Yeah. Take a strainer. We're gonna air dry them. You should blanch them with water first, cold water. That's it. And just wait till it gets drier. Super easy for this dish, vegan dish. Here's the chives, hot oil. Rolled up. It's already done. I turned off the fire already. I just wanted it to cook a little bit. And then, yep, it's done. Because we want to cook it twice. In Cantonese, it's 爆香佢, but 唔係香就係爆. Yep. And now, the next step is the noodles. And that's what's left. So next one, here's your I do very fast recipes, man. No time for fancy-mancy. Get some oil. Remember the noodle that we just cooked? Now it tastes good. It actually tastes good by itself. That's how good it is. Now the plan is to cook until all the water is gone. Don't ask me. That's what I learned. You gotta keep moving it till all the water is gone. Because when the water is gone, and it becomes crunchy and tasty. I'm using chopsticks doesn't ruin the wok. I'm very certain that the real chefs out there use the wok. Hey, but it's your aunt that's at home. Okay, so now I think it's getting there. I slow down the heat. Let it cook. I'm gonna put in cheat code, sweet soy sauce. You're supposed to use dark soy sauce or light soy sauce. I'm just gonna use the sweet one. 10 minutes for my kids. Still cooking. I don't want to use this because I don't want to break up the noodles. See, it's already like that. I'm gonna take one to taste. I might want it more oystery. It actually tastes good. Wow, I'm impressed. And the bean sprout. Game over, man. All the oil is going to be sucked up by the bean sprouts. That's why a lot of Asians like to use bean sprouts. And of course it's crunchiness too. Now I can flip the wok, so we'll have wok hay. But it's actually done already. Yeah. The trick is the noodle. Let's plate it. Yeah, well, I'm not a professional cook. What do you want me to do? Let me go. We'll do a little scramble here. And these are the best parts. I'm using a wooden spoon. Xiao Wang Chao Mein. Quick and dirty. Yeah. Let's try it. The noodle, egg noodle, and give it the consistency, and chives and bean sprout give it a crunchiness and the taste. Complete vegan dish, nothing in there. So yummy. Yeah, hot sauce too if you want. Your aunt, make it spicy, make it mild, make it your own. Like and subscribe. That's up.